Hello viewers, you're welcome to a new episode of solving problem. Okay, so the problem we'll be solving today is on function. Okay, that's composite of function. So we have function x of x, I mean f of x equal exponential x and g of x equals natural log of x. So you have to find the value of x for which f of g of x to the second power equal to g of x. All right, so that is the problem we want to solve. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and then also click the notification button so that anytime we upload video, you'll be the first to watch. Don't forget to subscribe also. All right, guys, so let's dive into the solution. So how do we solve this beautiful problem? You can see this is a composite function. We have fog of x, okay, and then we have gof of x. Then how do you find your fog of x? So this means so instead of you writing g of x, you already know what g of x is, which is what? Natural log of x. It means that anywhere we are seeing x in f of x, we are going to input natural log of x. All right, so we're going to have exponential natural log of x. All right, so remember, so exponential natural log of x will definitely give us x. Okay, I know, like, I'm sure you know that. All right, so that is fog of x, but don't forget we are having fog of x to the second power, so this implies it's x to the second power. All right, now the right hand side, which is gof of x, let's do that. Gof of x, so this means g of f of x, which is exponential x. It means anyway you are seeing x in your g of x, you're going to input natural log of x. I mean, you're going to input exponential x. So this is going to give us natural log of exponential x. Then according to the law of logarithm, if you have natural log of a to the bth power, so this will be natural log of a. Okay, so natural log of e to the x power, so that's going to give us x natural log of e. And remember, natural log of e will surely give us 1 because the base of your natural log is also e, so that will surely give us 1. So this will be equal to x. All right, that's pretty cool. Now let's solve the problem. So f of g of x squared equal to g of x. So we know that this is x squared and we know that this is x, so we can now solve the problem. Now we have x squared equal to x, okay? So you can subtract x from both sides. If you do that, we have x to the second power minus x equal to 0. So this implies that, if you factor out x, that will be x into bracket x minus 1 equals 0. So this implies s equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So that's the answer to the problem. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.